Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a birthday collaboration for the lovely Kristen, also known as Nerdy Creations. Here are the pictures of the ladies that participated in this collab, and some couldn't do YouTube videos, so here is the Instagram collage where I will have their links to their IG below. So my nails is X-Files theme because she like anything nerdy. So here's how I did my nails. So the base on all of my nails is going to be this Zoya Pixie Dust in the shade Dahlia. It's a black nail polish with holographic fine glitter. Okay, so on the pinky nail, I am going to paint some little alien heads. And sorry, I was off camera there in the beginning. And the nail art brush I am using is from Nicole Diary liner brushes. All links will be down below where you guys can find other things I use in my video. So I'm going in with two different shades of neon lime green color paint. And I just paint in some alien heads like I said. And on the ring fingernail, I am drawing the X-Files logo, but only the letter X, and it's like a little creepy wobbly X, so it's not a perfect X. I'm using white acrylic paint. And with white watered down diluted white paint, I just go around the nail to create like a border, and it will give off like a smoke effect, or the X could be a little more freakier. So moving on to my middle fingernail, I am only going to draw half of Dana's face, the character in the X-Files. So I'm using this skin tone color paint. I mix a little bit of brown, a little bit of drop of red and white to create like skin tone color. And then on the index fingernail on the opposite side, I'm going to draw the silhouette of Mulder. And for the hair, I use brown acrylic paint for Mulder, sorry guys, and then for Dana I use like an orangey red paint. And for the thumbnail, I want to draw a UFO in the sky, so I'm starting off with like that same smoky effect, diluted white paint, starting it in the center because I need like a bright background to make some trees pop out. So that's what I do first, and then I go in with the darker color first because that's in the background and it looks darker. So I do dark brown tree silhouette, and then I go in with a green acrylic paint, and then a lighter green I do more trees. And for the UFO, I use gray acrylic paint, and I just start drawing the UFO. Oh my god, what do you call that? Well, the UFO ship. I'm gonna call it a ship. I don't know. There's a name for it, I think. So I just start drawing it in with gray paint, and then I draw like some laser beams with neon green and a little bit of white mixed in like diluted water, and I just start drawing it coming down from the bottom of the ship. And going back to the aliens, I start in drawing their features, their eyes, and their little nose. And as I was drawing this, I got freaked out a little bit because they started to come alive. And since this is part of a stamping collab that I'm in, I'm using BP 165, and this is the detective plate, and I'm just going to use the detective badge image to put on the Dana Scully nail with the flashlight. And then on Fox Mulder's nail, I'm going to use a gun with the detective badge as well. And here is the finished look. I did add some bling bling and some little abstract lines here and there. I hope you guys enjoyed this collab. And Kristen, happy birthday. I hope you have a fun day with all your loved ones. And make sure to check out the other ladies that participate in this collab. Their links will be in the description box below. The truth is out there. Bye.